Trains Don't Sleep, written by Andria Rosenbaum, illustrated by Gill. Trains are humming, coming near, coupled cars from front to rear, rumbling, grumbling, screech and squeal, rolling, trolling, wheels on steel. Puffing, chuffing, never yawning, climbing hills as day is dawning. Trains don't sleep, they clang and hoot, reaching stations on their route. Quiet town to noisy city, looming large and strong and gritty. Passengers, please find a seat, ride the rails, and rest your feet. Trains don't sleep, they need to tow freight and flat cars in a row. Tender, reefer, logging car, built to last and travel far. Hopper, boxcar, auto rack, bridges, tunnels, forest track. Sky-high trestle, canyon sights. Trains are not afraid of heights. Transport tractors, trucks, and cranes zoom past traffic stuck in lanes. Trains don't sleep, they need to lead, roaring, rushing, gaining speed. Flashing lights, crossing gate. Sorry, cars, you'll have to wait. Circus tour with tents and crew. Elephants and tigers too. Poodles, ponies, bears that dance. Clever clowns in checkered pants. Down a mountain, bold and brave, sweep by sheep and share a wave. Shining headlights journey home, rocking slightly as they roam, trekking towards the setting sun. Trains are always on the run. Give the brakes a gentle push. Wheels will whisper, shush, shush, shush. Calm the engine, idle cars, in the yard, beneath the stars. Good night, travelers, off to bed. Dreams await you just ahead. Moving on, trains huff and heave, knowing that it's time to leave. Trains don't sleep, they roll away, racing toward a brand new day. The end.